This is Rxindi 2, the smarter, faster way to automate your InDesign workflows. Rxindi automates document creation in Adobe InDesign using data from Excel, JSON, XML, or CSV files. It enables you to generate personalized, data-driven layouts from a single template in a fast, flexible, and scriptable fashion. Built on Adobe's latest plugin framework, Rxindi 2 is optimized for performance, more memory efficient, and future-proof. Let's take a look at what's new. Auto-trigger components replace legacy script triggers, giving you full flexibility to automate tasks at any point in the workflow. Use function components to modularize your logic, resulting in cleaner, more maintainable templates with zero layout overhead. Export your processed documents directly to PDF or INDD without the need for custom scripts or manual actions. The improved place statement now allows you to direct output to specific frames, giving you more control over complex layouts. And for developers, a powerful new UXP-based scripting API gives you full access to everything Rxindi can do. Rxindi 2 requires InDesign 2025 or newer, but if you're on an older version, Rxindi 1 is still available and supported. Bring your document automation to the next level with Rxindi 2.